class, so ang topic natin ngayon is all about Riemann sums. So, sa Riemann sums ay may tatlo tayong rule, which is hahanapin natin yung left, right, and midpoint ng Riemann sums or ng graph. Then, may given tayong f of x is equal to 1 over 4 x squared minus 5 over x minus 5 over 2 x plus 37 over 4. So, ang first natin gagawin is gagawin natin yung graph, which is gagamitin nating apis yung GeoGebra. Then after natin yon, ganito ang magiging itsura. May given tayong n, which is yung number ng rectangle natin, which is yung n natin is 7. Then yung width natin or yung kapal ng rectangle is 2. So, after natin makuha yung graph, let's proceed na sa step 1, which is gagamitin natin yung rule ng left Riemann sums. So, dun sa first na yun, yung left Riemann sums, isahanapin muna natin yung left point ng graph. So, yun. After natin mahanap, magiging ganito yung itsura. So, ang value ng mga left point na nasa rectangle sa graph is x is equal to negative 2, x is equal to 0, x is equal to 2, x is equal to 4, x is equal to 6, x is equal to 8, and x is equal to 10. Then after natin makuha yung x, hanapin natin yung height nung per x na yon. So, let's proceed na. So, sa first height natin is yung x natin is equal to negative 2. So, isa-substitute lang natin yung mga nakuha nating x doon sa given function natin. So, ang given function natin is 1 over 4 x squared minus 5 over 2x plus 37 over 4. Then, isa-substitute natin yung negative 2 doon sa mga x. So, magiging 1 over 2 times quantity of negative 2 squared minus 5 over 2 times quantity of negative 2 plus 37 over 4. So, isi-simplify na natin isa-isa. Then, kapag sinimplify natin yung 1 over 4 times negative 2 squared, ang magiging sagot is 1. Then, pag sinimplify natin yung negative 5 over 2 times negative 2, ang magiging sagot is negative 5. Then, pag sinimplify natin yung 37 over 4, ang magiging sagot is positive 9.25. Then, after natin isolve yun, hanapin natin yung, after natin makuha yun, after natin isolve yun, simplify ulit natin until makuha natin yung 15.25. Yun yung value ng first height natin. So, sa second height, ang x natin is equal to 0. Like what I've said kanina, isi-substitute lang natin yung x sa given function. So, magiging 1 over 4 times quantity of 0 squared minus 5 over 2 times quantity of 0 plus 37 over 4. Then, simplify natin. So, mangyayari ay 0 minus 0 plus 9.25. So, 0 yung dalawa. So, magiging final answer natin is 9.25. So, yung second height natin is 9.25. Then, yung third height natin or yung value ng third height natin is x is equal to 2. So, substitute natin, magiging 1 over 4 times quantity of 2 squared minus 5 over 2 times quantity 2 plus 37 over 4. So, pag sinimplify natin yon, nagiging 1 minus 5 plus 9.25. Then, pag sinimplify natin ulit yon, ang magiging sagot is 5.25. Then, sa fourth height natin, ang value ng x natin is 4. So, isa-substitute ulit natin. So, 1 over 4 times quantity 4 squared minus 5 over 2 times quantity 4 plus 37 over 4. Then, pag sinimplify natin, ang magiging sagot is 4 minus 10 plus 9.25. Then, pag sinimplify, is magiging 3.25. So, sa fifth height natin, ang x natin is equal to 6. So, substitute ulit natin. 1 over 4 times quantity of 6 squared minus 5 over 2 times quantity of 6 plus 37 over 4. Pag sinimplify natin, magiging sagot is 9 minus 15 plus 9.25. Then kapag sinimplify natin, ang magiging sagot is 3.25. So, sa 6 height natin, ang x natin is 8. So, sa substitute ulit natin, magiging 1 over 4 times quantity 8 squared minus 5 over 2 times quantity 8 plus 37 over 4. Pag sinimplify natin, magiging sagot is 16 minus 20 plus 9.25. Pag sinimplify ulit natin, magiging final answer is 5.25. Then, ang pinaka-last 7 height, ang value ng x natin is equal to 10. Substitute, then simplify, so magiging sagot is 25 minus 25 plus 9.25. So, cancel natin yung both similar terms, then ang matitira is 9.25. So, after natin makuha yung 7 height, I mean yung 7 na height, pagta-times natin yung height na nakuha natin per each x sa width. So, like what I've said kanina, ang width natin is 2. So, gagawin natin yun para makuha natin yung area using the left Riemann sums. Then, pag ginawa natin yun, ang magiging outcome is 15.25 times 2 plus 9.25 times 2 plus 5.25 times 2 plus 3.25 plus 2 plus 5.25 plus times 2 plus 9.25 times 2. Pag sinimplify, ang magiging sagot is 30.5 plus 18.5 plus 10.5 plus 6.5 plus 6.5 plus 10.5 plus 18.5. Pag sinimplify ulit natin, magiging sagot is 101.5. Then ang gagamitin nating unit is square units. So therefore, 101.5 square units is the value under the graph using the left Riemann sums. So, proceed naman tayo sa right Riemann sums. Dito sa right naman, ang hahanapin nating mga point is yung endpoint sa right ng rectangle. So, ang mga nahanap natin is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and 12. So, katulad ng kanina, isa-substitute natin yun para makuha natin yung height. So, hanapin na natin yung first height. Ang first height natin, ang value ng x is equal to 0. Then, substitute natin, ang magiging sagot is 0 minus 0 plus 9.25. Ang final answer is 9.25. Sa second height, ang value ng x natin is 2. Then, substitute natin sa function, then simplify natin. So, ang magiging sagot is 1 minus 5 plus 9.25. Pag sinimplify natin, ang magiging final answer is 5.25. Sa third height naman, ang value ng x natin is equal to 4. Isa-substitute natin, then isi-simplify. Then after natin simplify, ang magiging sagot is 4 minus 10 plus 9.25. Simplify ulit natin is 3.25. Then sa fourth height, ang value ng x natin is 6. Then sa substitute natin, then isi-simplify. So kapag na-simplify natin, ang final answer is 9 minus 15 plus 9.25. So pag sinimplify uli, as magiging sagot is 3.25. Ang fifth height naman natin, ang value ng x is 8. Then substitute ulit natin, then simplify. Magiging sagot is 16 minus 10 plus 9.25. Simplify. So magiging 5.25. Then sa sixth height natin, ang value ng x is 10. Then substitute, then simplify. 25 minus 25 plus 9.25, simplify uli, 9.25. Then yung 7 height naman natin, ang value ng x is 12. So substitute ulit natin, so simplify, so magiging sagot is 36 minus 10 plus 9.25, then simplify ulit, is ang final answer is 15.25. So, para makuha natin yung area under the graph using right Riemann sums, is gagamitin natin yung nakuha natin height, then i-multiply yun sa width. So, pag ginawa natin yun, ang magiging sagot is, pag sinubstitute natin, ang magiging outcome is 9.25 times 2 plus 5.25 times 2 plus 3.25 times 2 plus 3.25 times 2 plus 5.25 times 2 plus 9.25 times 2 plus 15.25 times 2. Simplify natin hanggang simplify natin, then simplify ulit natin. So, ang final answer is 101.5 square units. So, therefore, 101.5 square units is the value under the graph using the right Riemann sums. So, proceed naman tayo sa midpoint Riemann sums. So, ang hanapin natin dito is yung endpoint ng midpoint sa rectangle. So, ang mga nahanap nating point is negative 1, 1, 4, 6, 8, 10, and 12. So, after natin hanapin na natin yung mga heights. So, sa first height natin, ang value ng x is negative 1. So, sa substitute natin, then simplify, 0.25 minus 2.5 plus 9.25 is equal to 12. Then, sa second height, ang value ng 1 natin, kapag sinubstitute, then sinimplify, is magiging 0.25 minus 2.5 plus 9.25 is equal to 7. Then, sa third height natin, ang value ng x is 3. Then, ang value ng x and 3 is substitute natin, then simplify. Then, ang magiging sagot is 2.25 minus 7.5 plus 9.25 is equal to 4. Sa fourth height naman natin, ang value ng x is 5. Isa-substitute ulit natin, then simplify. Then, magiging sagot is 6.25 minus 12.25 plus 9.25 is equal to 3. So, sa fifth height natin, ang value ng x is 7. Isa-substitute natin, then simplify. So, maging outcome is 12.25 minus 17.5 plus 9.25 is equal to 4. Sa sixth height natin, ang value ng x is 9. So, isa-substitute ulit natin sa function, then simplify, 20.25 minus 22.25 plus 9.25 is equal to 7. So, last height, 7th height, ang value ng x natin is 11. Substitute ulit natin. So, simplify, then magiging sagot is 30.25 minus 27.5 plus 9.25 is equal to 12. So, therefore, after natin makuha yung mga heights, hanapin na naman natin yung area under the graph using the midpoint Riemann sums. So, para mahanap yon, i-multiply natin yung width times height. Yung height times width. So, pag na-evaluate natin yung mga nakuha natin sa height and yung width natin, ang magiging sagot is 12 times 2 plus 7 times 2 plus 4 times 2 plus 3 times 2 plus 4 times 2 plus 7 times 2 plus 12 times 2. Simplify hanggang makuha natin yung final answer na 98 square units. So, after natin makuha yon, therefore, the value under the graph using the midpoint Riemann sums is 98 square units. Therefore, the value of left Riemann sums is 101.5 square units and right Riemann sums 101.5 square units, and lastly, the value of midpoint Riemann sums is 98 square units. So, that's all. Sana may natutunan kayo. Bye-bye!